CECC to lower virus alert to level 2. Stay vigilant. Although a level 2 alert will raise the limit on indoor gatherings to 50, people should still wear masks and practice social distancing, the center said. A nationwide COVID-19 alert is to be lowered from level 3 to 2 on Tuesday, but strict border controls will remain, the government said yesterday. The level 3 alert in place since May 19 is to end on Monday, with the level 2 alert in place from Tuesday until August 9th, the executive yuan said. Minister of Health and Welfare Chen Shizhong, who has the Central Epidemic Command Center, told the new conference in Taipei that over the next 2 weeks, people should still wear masks at all times outdoors, except while eating or drinking, and practice social distancing. The maximum number of people allowed for indoor gatherings will increase from 4 to 50, while the maximum for outdoor gatherings will increase from 9 to 100, Chen said, adding that tour groups could contain up to 50 people. Funerals and wedding banquets can be held with the same crowd limits. But newlyweds at banquets shouldn't make tableside toss, he said. Businesses and public spaces must still record visitors' contact information, while enforcing social distancing of 1.5 meters indoors and 1 meter outdoors, he said. Places that can reopen if they have proper disease prevention measures in place include kindergartens, cram schools, bowling alleys, infant care centers, dementia care facilities, certain fishing ports, and religious sites, he said. Art and science museums must have visitors registered before arriving and cannot allow groups of more than 49 people, Chen said. Artists and crew at performance halls can remove their mask while performing, as long as they submit a negative virus test result obtained 3 to 7 days before the performance, Chen said. Audience members must be seated at least 3 meters from the stage, while individual spectators should be properly separated, he added. A ban on visit to patients at hospital remains in effect, but the CECC will today announce whether it would allow visit to patients or residents at long-term care facilities, he said. Places that remain closed under the level 2 alert include community colleges, swimming pools, and leisure business, such as dance halls, nightclubs, KTVs, gaming halls, and mahjong parlors, he said. Asked if companies should still ask employees to work from home, Chen said it is not mandatory, but expressed the hope that the practice will be maintained. While the CECC on Monday last week allowed restaurants to offer dining services, most local governments didn't follow suit. Asked about dining restriction, Chen said that the CECC's guidelines are only for reference. The Taipei and New Taipei city governments yesterday said that they will maintain a ban on dining services, only allowing restaurants to provide takeout services. Chen said that the CECC will still maintain strict border controls. Although it might adjust measures for foreign visitors who have received 2 doses of a COVID-19 vaccine, such a plan hasn't yet been finalized, he said. The new measures are subject to change, Chen said, adding that people should still remain vigilant amid the pandemic.